Today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Enjoy, it tastes delicious. Now you can make this without any added flavorings or sweeteners. The chaga tea itself will have this light mallow flavor. So customize it, make it your own. And one tip, in the summer we're inclined to drink really icy cold drinks to cool down. That's a little hard on the digestive system. Better to have a chill drink or a little less ice. The digestion does not like to be cooled down, okay? So chilled, but not super icy. Enjoy.